Okay, Roebling Road. What a weekend. I had an absolute blast. Day one, we finished third. Cannot complain about that at all. It was so much fun to be back out there. Weather was looking a little spotty. However, we did have amazing weather all day. It was a little hot, a little muggy, and the gnats were a royal pain. But hey, it's Roebling Road. You know, South Georgia in the what's almost summer. So, and it was a little damp. So, you know, what can you expect? I was working on easing on the gas in the final carousel of Roebling because it felt like, not that I was going slow, but that I could carry more speed through the carousel or the bowl, whatever you want to call it. I felt like I should be able to ease on the gas throughout the entire turn so I could get a good drive out. I worked on that all day Saturday. I felt really good. We were consistently in the 24s, which I am super proud of. I think I may have dropped, 5 or 6 seconds. I think my fastest lap time there may have actually been in the low 30s. So for me, I feel like that was fantastic progress. Super proud of myself about all the progress that we made. Can't thank my mom enough for coming out to support me on this wild endeavor. Even brought my little puppy along. She enjoyed herself too, I think. She's been crashing out ever since we got back. Sunday, day 2. Didn't go quite as planned as we had hoped. So I got together with a buddy of mine. I was trying to figure out how I could drop like a half a second. That's all I was really looking for. I was hoping to see the 23s before the end of the day. He gave me some pointers. I was working on that during the first practice session of the morning on Sunday. And during that, I felt like I wasn't slowing down fast enough in turn 1. I also was, for whatever reason, I've been having some issues with my shift linkage. It seems to be a little loose. I couldn't get a good downshift. I ended up running off into the grass in turn 1. Was easing on the front brake a little bit, was slowing down. I genuinely felt that I had everything under control. And then I believe I hit may have been a dip in the grass that had some water and mud collected. That ended up washing out the front end. And ended up crashing and just thought, you know what, we'll just wrap it up for the day. Bring it home. We'll work on it. We got a month or so. I'm actually looking at the calendar now. The next race is June 27th at Barber. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow, Monday, which is Monday, we're going to unload the trailer. I got the suit airing out now. We're going to unload the trailer, start making a parts list on what we need to fix, and just maybe tighten some stuff up a little bit. I do think I need to get some more fairings. I think these are pretty much shot. Surprisingly enough, these are Chinese fairings I got 10 years ago. I also learned that when I first started racing, I never crashed. I believe that is because I wasn't pushing as hard. I was also 400 pounds, so I wasn't pushing as hard. So now that I'm trying harder, in a weird way, I fully expect to have some more crashes. Neither here nor there. I'm okay. Bike is all right. Again, needs a little bit of love, but that is sort of what's going on in these videos. I did not get the crash in the video. The camera died before I pulled out. That's my fault. I should have put a new battery in. I thought we were good. However, I'm okay. Bike's all right. And so I was definitely working on that carousel. Had a fantastic time. It was great to see Ben and his dad Terry and Eric. Shout out to Stick Boy for the tires, the Q5s that we ended up picking up in Road Atlanta when it was a monsoon. I just ended up using them here. I'll probably cook through them until those are done, then throw the slicks back on. Also got some rain tires from him. Super excited about those. But yeah, I'll probably be shooting some videos on taking the fairings off and kind of going over what all happened, what I think happened. Even though I think I kind of expressed that. Just doing a once over on the bike, trying to get stuff repaired and ready for Barber. Barber's actually going to be 3 days after my birthday, so I'm pretty excited about that. So anyway, yeah, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And look for more content. Definitely going to try and do better on these videos. Yeah, so we'll see everybody at Barber.